It sure is a nice day. You're building. What you making? Sticks.
I'm usually making a tent since I love a lot of leaves. And look I got a leaf on myself.
And you picked them up from the forest.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah. I also found this magic ruby.
Oh my God! Let me see it. Oh God!
It's too slippery.
It's a little slippery for me and a little gooey for me. And I just feel like I wanted to hug it. Come here. Oh my God! I wanted to hug you all the time. Yeah, I'm hugging.
Can I get my ruby back, please?
Ow!
My ruby. It's really shiny. I like it.
But Sticks likes shiny things. That's why. You really do like shiny things, don't you, Sticks?
Yeah, I finished making my tent.
You mean your burrow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see you later.
Okay.
I'm gonna go take a nap. And I will sit in privacy.
Okie dokie. A few more the next day.
Hi, Sonic.
Morning, Sticks.
Morning.
I want to have some breakfast with you.
Okay. Let's go get some flowers.
Okay.
These flowers are actually sweet.
They smell good. They smell fresh.
Sonic.
Yes.
This could actually be your bed. Look it.
Oh. It looks comfy for me.
Yeah.
and I love this flower from up here where I am. Right here. I want to smell it all day. Ah! I fell down. And I fell down.
Are you alright, Sonic?
Yeah, I hit my butt. Ow.
I'm really sorry.
Now it feels like I have some skin marks underneath my butt right here.
Skin marks?
Yeah, cause
You're just a piece of bread. Boom.
Oh. Yeesh.
That's what you get.
Yeah. Thanks for that. I needed that.
It's a pillow. You can have this.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna go to my hiding place.
This could be my bedroom right here on the table. That was a great nap. Sticks.
What do you want?
We're about to end this video. Come here.
What do you want?
Come on. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the next episode of Adventures of Sonic Boom.
Yeah. Now let's have fun. Next video. Now comment down below if you like this video. Bye.
And give this video a thumbs up for it. This is Sonic and Sticks. Say it. Say it. This is Sonic
and Sticks
signing